Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a quick backup because resetting the keyboard dictionary removes learned words. That preserves anything critical. Once backed up, open Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. You may be prompted for your passcode. Do that and confirm the reset. This clears Autocorrect's learned entries, so you're starting fresh. Make sure you understand this affects only the keyboard dictionary, not contacts or full device settings. Once done with the dictionary reset, you fine-tune how autocorrect behaves. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard to view autocorrection, predictive, and check spelling. Toggle autocorrection off if you prefer manual control or on to let iOS autofix common typos. Next, tap Text Replacement to add specific phrases or remove entries that cause trouble. These steps let you shape correction behavior rather than fight it. Make sure to test typing in notes or messages and adjust to finish. Test typing in notes, mail, and messages to confirm autocorrect behaves as expected. If corrections still act oddly, restart your iPhone. This often resolves lingering issues. Make sure the region and keyboard languages are correct under General Language and Region and Keyboard. Mismatches can trigger strange autocorrect behavior. If problems persist, restore your recent backup or reach out to Apple support for deeper diagnostics. Remember, restarting and language checks solve most cases quickly, so try those before restoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.